Hello, Olympians. I would like to talk to you right now about block scheduling. I would like to answer three questions. What is block scheduling? Why did we adopt block scheduling for next year? And what is embedded support time that some of you may have started to hear about? One, block scheduling is going to be our new bell schedule where on Mondays we are still going to be doing late start with 50-minute periods, periods 1 through 6. Tuesdays and Thursdays, you'll be attending periods 1, 3, and 5, and those will be 120-minute long classes. And on Wednesdays and Fridays, you'll be attending periods 2, 4, and 6, and again, those classes will be 120 minutes. Block scheduling means more time for collaboration, more time for communication, more time for critical thinking, and more time for creativity. And also, it will give teachers more time to help you when you're struggling and more time to push you when you're going hard and you're doing well. Now, why did we adopt block scheduling? A lot of our teachers this summer are being trained on project-based learning, which means that you'll be working on projects to learn your content next year rather than doing lectures or note-taking all the time. Block scheduling was going to be used because more teachers would like to do Socratic seminars next year, which are discussions and debate type lessons where you're going to be able to express yourself and learn from each other more. We also adopted block scheduling because as we start doing more complicated work, we need more time to do the work. We also went to block scheduling because we realized that, you know what? 3 teachers in a day and 3 different sets of expectations, that might just be enough for you to handle, which means that you should be able to do better next year because you're not going to have 6 different teachers usually on a day. You're only going to have 3. Finally, embedded support time. Later next school year, there will be a point where if you are doing well on your tests, you're coming to school on time, your behavior in class is good, you're doing all your homework, the final 20 minutes of that block scheduling period will be possibly a break. So instead of a 120-minute period, you might only be in class for 100 minutes, which might mean a longer break or a longer lunch. So, in short, next year in block scheduling, get to school on time, do all your work, do well on tests, and you might be in class a little bit shorter. But it all depends on your teacher because your teacher is the one with the discretion to say, you know what, you're doing well, you may have a longer lunch or you may have a longer break. So, if you have any other questions about block scheduling, please do not hesitate to ask me, Mr. Grego, Mr. Lujan, or Mr. Tavite, or any of your teachers about what block scheduling is or why we went to block scheduling. Thank you for a good year, Olympians, and I'm really expecting next year to be an even better year. Thank you.